metal, rubber, oil and tin, the delicate canvas, the men within, built with our hands and driven to war, we are man and machine, and nothing more. The rumble of engines, the marching of boots, the forest that breathes, the blood at its roots, forgotten, remembered, forgiven and cherished. The machine of war, the lives that would perish. Trained, taught and serving in silence, an unquestioned alliance, the mark of defiance. Never built to stand the tests of time, the machine of war, where our fates align. Trodden, tracked, driven and trekked, the machine was made to serve and protect. The steel is cold, the senses that feel the perpetual motion and the rolling wheel. Nuts and bolts, springs and plugs, hearts and lungs, sleep and drugs, pistons, pumps, pulleys and prayer, praying no pain and gasping for air. The machine isn't real, it doesn't exist. It doesn't think with its mind or fight with its fists. It does as it's told and is programmed to be. Anything we want, us, they, he or she. We have kept these machines to store and collect the people they saved or the people they wrecked. Pass on the stories, the tales and the horror. Tell of the memories, the cowardice and the honor. Remember what happened and never forget. Cause and effect, triumph and regret. Battled, bruised, silenced and fraught. The machines we made, the lessons they taught. The years ticking by, the decades that grow, generations told what they need to know. We made the machines, the guns, guts and gore. We are the machine of war.